Friends, this is the inside view of Amphis Electric's earth monitoring system, which basically consists of two relays: earth leakage relay, neutral earth monitoring relay, and it is complemented by an MCB and contactor for proper running. First, we'll have a look at the connections, how the connections have to be made. Connections are very simple. Auxiliary, live and neutral are to be brought from the top and to be connected to the MCB. Neutral on the left side and live terminal on the right side. Next to it you can see a small terminal block which has a yellow-green wire. The earth terminal wire from the earth terminal will come here and will be connected to this terminal block. So this earth terminal will go to the neutral earth relay and it will monitor the earth monitoring neutral earth voltage. Now what needs to be done? Outgoing connections will be done from the bottom side. Again, the left two terminals of this contactor will be used. Neutral on the left side and live to the right of neutral. You can also see two small terminal blocks. These are used for RS485 connections. So A and B connections of RS485 network will be connected to these two terminals. This is about the connections. When all the connections are done, you can close the device. As you can see, there are cable glands provided at the bottom for RS485 outgoing connections and for the incoming connections. After that, you can make the settings of the earth leakage relay and the neutral earth relay. We'll switch on the device using this MCB. Now, if the earth monitoring system finds that earth leakage current is less than the threshold and neutral earth voltage is also less than the set value, it will switch on the power supply, and the power supply will go to the calibrator or the equipment which is connected on the downstream of this earth monitoring system. So basically it's a fail-safe design. Fail-safe means only when the earth leakage current and the neutral earth voltage are below the set values will this system allow the power to be transferred to the outgoing terminals. Now let's look at the settings, how settings have to be made. Pressing the left button asks you for a password. Setting password is 1000. Using this button we can move forward to the next digit. First of all, these are RS485 settings: device ID, baud rate, which is presently at 9.6 bps kbps. This is the set value, which is right now set at 2 volts. Using this button we can change this value. Let's say we want to set it at 1 volt. So using this button we will move forward. Now 2 is blinking, we will bring it out to 1. So this also blinks. So in fact you can also set 0.5 volts by transferring this decimal button. So let's say presently we set it at 1 volt. There is a time delay also provided because sometimes there may be a nuisance or transient neutral earth voltage. So this is 2 seconds, which again can be changed. And after that the settings can be saved. This was about neutral earth relay. Same thing can be done for earth leakage relay, where we have provided an additional safety feature for settings. You have to keep it pressed for 5 seconds before the settings can be made. So after 5 seconds it will ask for password, which is again 1000. Again device ID, baud rate. This is the earth leakage value, which is presently set at 100 milliamperes, that is 0.1 ampere. Using this button we can change it. Like presently it is at 0.25. This is 50 milliampere. This is 30 milliampere. So let's say we set it at 100 milliamperes. Then this is the time delay, which can again be increased or decreased. Again, there is an auto manual option which preferably has to be kept at disable, meaning that whenever there is a fault, you will have to manually reset the relay. Whenever there is a fault, relay can be reset either by switching off the MCB and switching on again, or by pressing the 4th button of respective relay. If neutral earth voltage relay has tripped, you will press this button. If earth leakage tripping happens, which will be shown by a red mark here, red LED or red LED here, pressing the 4th button of that relay will reset the device. There are a couple of other small features provided. As you can see, there are vents given on the sides, both sides, for dissipating the heat which is generated inside due to the use of contactor coil and the electronic meters. So these vents will allow for the heat dissipation from the device. And in addition to that, what we have done is that we are providing 2 wall mounting brackets which can be mounted on the back side. Like here, there are 2 holes provided, so this will be mounted here and another will be mounted here. So once you do that, this can be wall mounted using these 2 wall mounting brackets which are provided with the earth monitoring system. If there are any more details required, there is a user manual and video tutorial available. Links of those are available at the end of this video. Thank you.